Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus Pad 3. So first, if you're in a call, then check the volume using the side buttons right here. So after you do that, go to settings, and here go to let me show you the sound. And here, when you're in a call, you should be able to see another slider pop up, and it will be the call volume. So as you guys can see here, we can basically adjust it while being in a call. Now you guys can disable Bluetooth to rule out any devices that may be connected, like your car, any headphones, or a Bluetooth like AirPods. So go to Bluetooth now and make sure that it's either disabled or that no devices are connected to it. So now when there's still a problem, then try and clean the speaker grills. Basically, let me show you. Here we have two of them, and here we also have two of them. So make sure to give them a good clean with a soft brush or compressed air. I recommend using the first one. And then you guys can test with another call, or maybe test it with another app. So for example, WhatsApp and much more, so Viber. And if none of that worked, then what you guys can try is restart the tablet. So hold the power up button and the volume up and the power button. Now scroll up to restart it, and now we gotta wait for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys once the tablet is ready to use. Now after the restart, let me enter my password, and then what you guys can do is basically reset the settings. So go to settings, scroll a bit down and go to system and update. Here go to backup and reset and click reset device. Here reset the network and Bluetooth settings. So don't reset the entire data, reset only network and Bluetooth settings. Basically it will reset all of the Wi-Fi connections you had and every single Bluetooth device you had paired with your tablet, and you will have to repair them and to enter the passwords to Wi-Fi's again, but it should help a lot. And that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.